Hello friends, I'm Sudhan Sharma. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to make a board marker on Blender chart. First, we'll select these and delete them. Press Shift A. In mesh cylinder, X should be 0.5, Y should also be 0.5, and Z should be 5. It's a bit big, so we'll make it 4. 4 is fine. So now make this up. The measurement should be proper, so make it 4.1. Now go in edit mode. In edit mode we will extrude. Press E and inside. Press I to insert. E I and D to make it here. Now press Ctrl R. There should be 2 rings. Three should be selected. E to extrude. Press Ctrl R. Select this. And E to extrude from here. Now we will assign it a new color. Now these should be black. So I've selected them like this. So now add. I'm going to make it black. And assign. So this is our board marker ready. But we will color this also. To color this again we have to go to edit mode only. Assign. I made this also black. Now you can go on object mode and take it screenshot. Now we'll meet in next video. Bye.